Today's topic is nuclear radius. In this topic, we will know about the method for calculating the radius of a given nucleus. Let us R0 is the radius of a nucleon. As we know that nucleons are either protons or neutrons, and R is the radius of nucleons. If in the nucleus there are a number of nucleons, so the volume of nucleus is equal to the volume of a nucleon multiplied by A. So this is the formula, and after solving this we find this equation. So from various experiments for the estimation of radius of a nucleus, confirmed that nucleus is of approximately spherical size, and obey the above formula. From the various experiment, the value of R0 varies from 1.2 Fermi to 1.3 Fermi. Some of them, such as the radius of nucleus, are estimated from the study of electromagnetic properties of nucleus, such as alpha scattering, electron scattering. One such experiment is this one: high energy electron scattering experiment observed that the charge density distribution inside the nucleus depends on the distance r from the center of the nucleus, which means at the center the charge density maximum, as shown through this formula. Here this is the charge density, and R0 is the charge density at the center of the nucleus, which means at R equals to 0, and delta shows the rate of decrease of charge density with distance from the center of the nucleus. Charge density remains approximately constant near the center of the nucleus, which means that the charge density varies from R0 to 0.9 R0 as distance r from the center increases, which means near the center the charge density varies slightly, but when we go towards the boundary of the nucleus, then charge density decreases sharply, as we can show from this formula, this figure. This is the center of nucleus, and if we move through this direction, then the charge density initially decreases slowly, but at particular distance the charge density decreases sharply. So this is if at the distance at which the charge density decreases to its initial value, which means 1. So at this distance at which the charge density decreases to 0.5 rho, that distance can be taken as the radius of the nucleus. सिंपल शब्दों में रेडियस ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस वह डिस्टेंस है सेंटर से जहां पर चार्ज डेंसिटी का मान सेंटर पर जितना है उसका आधा हो जाता है. नाउ वी विल टेक वन एग्जांपल फॉर based on this formula. Find the mass number of a nucleus whose radius is 1/3 of the radius of osmium, for which A1 mass number is 189. This is given that the mass number of osmium is A1 189, and let us the radius of this osmium element is R1. Nucleus is R1. For unknown nucleus, the radius is R and mass number is A. This is given that R is equals to R1 upon 3. This is given, and from the formula of radius we can write this for unknown nucleus and this for the osmium. So if we take ratio of these two equations, R upon R1, then this one disappears and this can be written as like this, but R equals to R1 upon 3. So finally we can write this like this, and we get 7, which means a nucleus for which mass number is 7, and this is for lithium. So finally we get the mass number A for unknown nucleus, which means the radius of lithium nucleus is 1/3 of the radius of the osmium. Thank you.